Hey, welcome to the Zenler Partner Program, and I'm really glad that you've landed on this page. You want to earn some money, and you want to earn it by promoting the best all-in-one course platform out there. Now, what do you need to do to be a successful Zenler partner? Well, the first thing is you need an account with Zenler. So that really makes sense that you're going to be able to promote something you've got an account with. Now, inside the program that we're running for you, and we're going to be running it over 60 days from starting on the 1st of July. We're going to give you loads and loads of tips, tricks, resources, scripts, everything you could possibly need to become a superb, exceptional affiliate for Zenler. And you can take it wider than that. So you can use it to affiliate for other programs if you wish. This training is exclusive to Zenler partners. But you know what? You can use it and adapt it, and we're going to guide you every step of the way. All you need to do is look below, come and sign up. It's free to sign up. You've got nothing to lose, everything to gain, and a bigger bank balance to get. So come and join us now. I'll see you on the inside.